Today, we will walk through how to modify parameters in a GaussDB instance. A database provides many GUC parameters, and their configurations directly affect system behavior. GaussDB comes with a set of default GUC parameter values, but you can change them as needed to better match your workloads and data volume. When modifying GaussDB parameters, keep the following rules in mind. Before modifying parameters, make sure you understand each parameter and validate changes in a test environment first. The wrong settings can make your instances or workloads unstable. Parameter names are not case-sensitive. For parameters that accept values with units, specify the unit. Otherwise, the system will apply the default units. You can modify parameters for CNs and DNs in a single operation, but other parameters must be set individually. This video tutorial shows how to modify instance parameters. Let's proceed step by step. Step 1. Log into your DB instance. Step 2. Check the current value of the parameter. Step 3. Change the parameter value as needed. Step 4. If required, reboot the instance to apply the change. Step 5. Verify that the new value has been applied. Next, we'll show you how to modify instance parameters on the console. Log in to the Management Console. Log in to the instance you want to configure. Run a SQL statement to check the current parameter value before making any changes. You can use the show command or query the PG_settings view to check the values of one or all parameters. In this example, we will focus on the max connections parameter. Its current value is 300. Click the name of the desired instance to navigate to the basic information page. Switch to the parameters page and view parameter information. Change the parameter value to 200, click Save, confirm the operation, and click OK. Wait for the change to complete. You will see that the instance status changes to parameter change pending reboot because this change requires an instance reboot to be applied. If you run the SQL statement to check the value of max connections, it will still return 300. The new value has not been applied yet. Reboot the instance to apply the parameter change. After the instance is rebooted, check the parameter value again. Now, you can see that the value has been updated. The modification is complete.